I'm at Now Jade Riviera Cancun in 1224. Turn to the left. This is what it looks like on the second floor. We're in a junior suite, Ocean View King. We do have cards. So when you come in, the first thing you're gonna see is the bathroom. Over here, there's a couple doors. That's your closet. Okay, back just to the left of the main door is our mini bar. Turn back around. So we'll start with the bathroom. I don't know why I'm going back up. Have the toilet on this side, and it does have a bidet. It's got a frosted door. It has a bidet on the other side. Tub with a really good view, actually, overlooking the pool and the ocean. And it does have a curtain thing that comes down, blinds, and shower over here on the left. Rain shower only, it looks like, no handheld. It does have a small window there, but that's definitely the highlight. That's a great view. All right. We have a king bed. My kids are staying in a different room and they have 2 double beds, but the room looks identical. Just 2 beds with a open middle. That's really the only difference. Has 2 steps down into a little seating area. Go out to the balcony. We have just a very small table, a couple chairs. Nothing really over on that side. Here's our view. Our bathroom from this view. And the bedroom from this direction.